The ULG foaming soap dispenser has a capacity of 10 ounces or 300 milliliters. It is 5.7 inches tall and the bottom measures 3.3 by 2.1 inches. It can be used with various foaming soaps, such as hand, body, and dish soap. The bottles are made of PET plastic and have a stainless steel spring. The material is durable and does not contain dangerous chemicals or compounds like BPA or lead. Foaming bottles pump air into liquid soap, turning it into a rich foam and reducing soap consumption by up to 75% with the same cleaning effects. The recommended ratio of lotion to water is 1:4, but you can easily adjust this ratio to your personal liking. Shake the bottle to make sure the soap has fully dissolved, then rotate the nozzle counterclockwise to align it with the gap.